Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making braised pork trotters with glass noodles.
Tender pork trotters, silky glass noodles soaking up all that rich sauce. Warm, comforting, and seriously irresistible.
Alright, let's start.
When buying pig's feet, you can ask the butcher to touch off the hair and grease on the surface. It helps remove the porky smell. Then take them home, cut into small pieces, and rinse well. Here are the soaked glass noodles. Just pinch one gently between your fingers. If it snaps easily, it's ready to use. For aromatics, we've got scallion segments, ginger slices, star anise, cinnamon, and bay leaves.
Everything is ready, let's cook.
Add the pork trotters to the wok of cold water. Pour in about 2 tablespoons of cooking wine and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, let it go for 3 to 5 minutes. Then take the trotters out and rinse them clean with warm water. Now heat some oil in the wok. Add a few pieces of rock sugar and melt them slowly over very low heat. Keep the flame low. It shouldn't go higher than the sugar itself. When you start to see lots of rich bubbles forming, turn the heat up and add the pork trotters. Toss them around so they are evenly coated. Now add all the aromatics and stir fry until everything smells amazing. Then add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Stir everything together until well combined. Pour in boiling water, just enough to cover the ingredients. Leave the lid off and let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Then cover it and simmer for at least 1 hour. After an hour, pick out the spices. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of MSG. Turn the heat to low, cover the lid, and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Now look at this. The pork trotters are super tender. Add in the soaked glass noodles and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. And that's it. Time to plate. I'm seriously drooling already. Sprinkle some chopped scallions on top, and the dinner is ready.
Let me take one bite for you. Oh wow, so fragrant, so rich. Look at the pork trotter, full of collagen and melt in your mouth tender. You really have to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.